Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studied Indian Company Act 2013. 2013 is a Reforms Company Act. 1956 is Indian Company Act in 1956. The reforms means many changes in Indian Company Act. The Indian Company Act on important topic today we are learn about distinguish between shares and debentures. Shares means company is not sufficient fund. That time only company issue shares, not sufficient fund. That time only issued shares collected in capital. That is shares. But company is 51 highest percentage, 51% is our own control, 49 only issued in public. Debentures means only investor do not rise in any question, do not rise ask any question. Only the debentures invest the money, but the duration period only interest or some pay of profit only. That is debentures holder. But shareholders means one of the partner. Shareholder is a one of the partner in company. The many shareholders mean the elected only one person. The representative one person is one of the board of director. The shareholders is protect protect someone organization is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. The Security Exchange Board of India is main function is secure to shareholders. Main function. Okay, listen students. First one, debentures constitute a loan. Only contribute some investment, some contribute only in loan only. Share or a part of the capital of a one part of a company, but debentures some amount of contribute only in loan. Debentures middle and lower level, middle and lower level, but shareholder is a top level. Top level means one of the shareholder, one of the partner. Next one, debentures holder get fixed rate of interest which carries priorities over a dividend. Debenture holders get fixed rate of interest means the duration period wise pay, company pay interest, but shareholder do not carry any such charge. The capital contribute no any charge, but debentures is periodically collecting interest. Debentures can be issued a discount without restrictions. Shares cannot be issued at discount. Debentures can issued at discount. Discount means some duration or periodically some more interest means collected means some discount. But shareholders do not allow discount. The rate of interest fixed in this case of debentures. Rate of interest fixed, which shareholders, whereas a equity share the dividend varies from the year to year depending upon the profit. The company, the board of directors decision to declare a dividend or not. Companies periodically improving in profit means company reducing in shareholders level. Debentures holders do not have any voting rights. Debentures holders do not interfere in company activities. Do not interfere. The debentures holders only pay, collecting interest only. Do not any company activities. Do not in voting rights, but shareholder enjoying voting rights. The more shareholders mean, the more shareholders in one person, elected person, that person is a representative, one of the board of director. Next one, interest on debentures is payable even if the or not profit, that is even out of capital. Interest on debentures payable in the no profit. Interest on debentures only paid in interest, company interest paid only interest only, no in profit level. Dividend can be paid a shareholders only out of profit the company and not otherwise. Company but shareholders profit is increasing means shareholders is profit level increase, but interest debentures only pay company pay only in interest only within capital level, that investment level. Next one, interest paid on debentures is business expenditures allowed a deduction from profit. The interest paid on debentures of business expenditures allowed a deduction from profit. Deduction means some reducing from profit. Dividend is not allowed in deduction as business expenditure. But business expenditures is more expenditure means you reduce no deduction in profit, same level in pay allowed in profit. Next one, return to allotment is not required for allotment of debentures, but the return of allotment in e-forms number 2 is to be filled from allotment shares. Return of allotment is not required for allotment of debentures. Return amount is some periodically not finished, that duration period means not complete means that time is debentures is some ask money means company only that period only you end of the duration time, end of the time only issued in money. Listen student, this is important 5-mark question, very easy. This question already one time I explained, a second time this question I explained. Easy, very important, 100% in board exam this question. Everybody you read 7 points. Today next lesson, company management. Company management introduction. The concept and nature of the company was explained in the previous lesson. It has a endless lifespan and life of the company is not affected due to changes in the member, that is any member may come and go, put the company life till the death according to the previous of act. In this lesson, how to artificially persons manage is discussed. It is managed by a group of human being. The Indian Company Management, the Indian Company Act 2013 started in 1956, but 2013 is reforms only. The reforms is each and every persons to manage a control. That person is managed by a group of the human beings. Each and every human being. The group of the human being who is undertake the responsibility to run the business of the company or known as a board of director, the member. The company full undertaking the board of director and the members. Controlling board of directors and member. The director play the vital role in functioning of the company by controlling, guiding, directing and managing. Listen students, everybody underline. Each and every director, the vital role is main four role. First one, controlling, guiding, directing and managing. This four role is each and every board of directors properly played means the company is success only. It means target is achieved. Overall, the performance of any company is vested the directors, so they are responsible for it. They, the every person in the board of individually or collectively is responsible for achieving the objectives prescribed in the memorandum of association of company. Each and every company prescribed in memo. First some shareholders is involved, the company means first ask in memorandum. The memorandum is company full and full past, present, future details, full and full in memorandum only. The memorandum is very important. Only the memorandum is company past last year, how much of earning profit, how much of percent target, how much percentage of target achievement this year, how much is production, future how much goods production planning, how much of target aim. That is full and full company history, full and full in memorandum of association. The appointment of the director and the qualification of specific in the qualification or specified in the Companies Act of 2013, Indian Company Act reforms 2013. In the company management of board of directors get new nucleus. The nucleus position under selection is according to the procedures and prescribed laid down in the Act and the Articles of Association. Since the success of many company depends on the efficient functions of director. Now, one company is successful, target achieved means the main role of functioning in director. The director main four important roles is what? Controlling, guiding, directing and managing. Listen student, this 4 point you underline. The one company you success means this four features is correctly followed means the company is achieved. Our target is achievement. Since the success of the company depends on the efficient functioning of its directors, they can be called as eyes, ears, brain, hands, nerves and other essential part of the company. The company is eyes, ears, brain, hands, nerves and other essential part of the company. The directors formulate policies and established organizational setup, the implementation those policies in order to achieve the objectives of contained in the memorandum of association of a company. The director's main role is full controlling power, guiding and directing and managing power. Full controlled and followed means the company is target is achievement only. Next one, meaning and definition of directors. The person who takes achieved interest in the well-being of the company and one of the members of board of directors is called a director of a company. The person one who takes achieve a interest the member of board of directors is called a called as director of a company. A person who achieved interest in well-being. Well-being means one person is this year achievement and target ambition is very good ambition and good achievement. That time only more ambition persons is life is one success only. The director, a person who takes achieved interest in well-being of a company, is efficient person. Efficient persons only a director. That posting is fit a person. That is person is a director. A director is a person from the board of director who leads or supervise the functioning of a company. Which person is supervise and functioning the functioning of a company? That person only a director. Supervise and functioning of a company, that person is a director. The Indian Company Act 2013 section 234 define a director appointed to the board of company. To the board of company. Listen students, you carefully you read and some important inside one words. Okay, each and every students you read again 1 or 2 times you read, and some important one words you carefully you read, and do not waste your time. Each and every day you read and write, at least you write one time you per day. Writing is 100 times you reading, but writing one time you write means your memory power. Writing only you are increasing your memory power. Okay students, okay, next class, next one, new topic we will discuss. Okay students, thank you. Dear students, do not waste your time students. Thank you.